This video is about how to configure OSPF using COMMANDO C3000 E3000 series switches with the help of CLI. OSPF construct network topology and routing tables by dividing an autonomous system into one or more logical areas. Advertise route by sending link state advertisement LSAs, exchanging OSPF packet between the devices in an OSPF area to synchronize the routing information. In an OSPF network, each router or switch generate link layer advertisement based on surrounding network topology and transmit this LSA in an update packet to other routers in the network. The OSPF work by exchanging hello packets to establish OSPF neighbor relationship, flooding LSAs to advertise link state information from their LSDB to create a weighted directed graph using SPF algorithm to calculate and generate routes, maintaining and updating routing table by any topology changes. So firstly we will understand what is a router ID. Router ID is a 32-bit integer which uniquely identifies an OSPF router in an AS. Each OSPF router has a router ID. A router ID is in the same format as an IP address. To ensure OSPF stability in actual network deployment, it is recommended that the IP address of the loopback interface on the router or switch to be used as a router ID. A router ID can be manually configured or automatically selected by a router or a switch. If no router ID is manually configured for router, the router automatically selected an IP interface address as its router ID. Steps to configure OSPF in COMMANDO switch. So firstly create a VLAN for routing purpose from 2 to 4094. Configure terminal. VLAN, let us say I want to create VLAN 2. Then assign the IP address to created VLAN as per the connected router switch IP address as they require to be in the same network. So I want to give this interface VLAN to IP address 192.168.1.202/24. Then third step is go to the interface where you connected L3 switch or a router and assign the created VLAN in the access mode. So let us say I have connected other L3 switch or router to G1. So I will go to that port and give the IP address, give the switch mode access, switch port mode access, and switch port access VLAN 2. So after doing all these things, I will enable OSPF and connect the network ID to OSPF, and then we can check the OSPF route. So before doing all these things, it is recommended to create a router ID. Let us say my router ID is 1.1.1.1. I will create OSPF 1 with process ID 1, area 0, network, let us say I am having two network 192.168.0.0/24 and network 192.168.1.0/24. You can verify this route with the help of command show IP route OSPF. So OSPF area and the learn route will be shown with the help of this command.